In this video, I am going to show you how to replace the ink toner in your Brother HLL3220cdw printer. First step is to lift this section. So completely lift it from here and it will open the ink chamber, and you can see all the 4 ink toners are available here. Remove them one by one. Take your new ink toner, remove all the seals, and you should be placing here with the chip facing towards the printer. Match the colors and the alphabets. Once it is locked properly, you just have to push the door down and wait for the printer to start. Wait for the printer. So within few seconds your printer is ready and we can start using it. Thanks for watching.